Okay, Tor is doing these things. Okay, how it is doing? ISP actually don't allow Tor networks. Okay, it can easily identify. To bypass that, we are using pluggable transports. Okay, we have a lot of pluggable transports. You know, every traffic goes through a deep packet inspection. Okay, your data packets can contain every other information of what you are receiving when you are receiving your IP, like that. Okay, the layer I'm not going to show the layers of encryption. It will be much more technical. What Tor do is it will encrypt the data packets actually. Okay, it will encrypt the data packet and randomize it so that your ISP won't recognize it is from the Tor network. It will consider it as a data noise. Okay, then it allow to communicate. This is how it works. So OBMS. So okay, we are having another pluggable transport. It shows like you are doing some video call data packets spoofed to be someone is using a video call services. Someone is using a cloud service like that. We have a lot of pluggable transports. Okay, ISP blocks the Tor. Internet package goes through the multi-layer inspection, as I said. To bypass this, Tor uses OBFS4 with the randomized data packets which are encrypted. Traffic padding, the process is called traffic padding, which adds random noise or data to make the traffic look like more standard HTTPS. Okay? Just keep in mind, every data go through a Tor is completely encrypted, so no one knows what. It's actually very difficult to decrypt. Okay, I'm going much technical. You guys just have this in mind. It's using a pluggable transport to spoof the ISP providers. Okay, just have this. Okay, next we are going to see the concept of a browser fingerprinting. Actually, this is everyone need to know. You guys are thinking that, bro, I am using a VPN. No one can trust me. What I am doing, what you are doing. You're like you're sitting comfortably. No, you are not. Okay. Browser fingerprinting is a technique that captures the data of the users through web activity. What are the data it will collect? Browser fingerprinting, right? Your browser will provide all these stuffs. You know, it will tell you what platform you are using, what are the screen resolution you are using, what are the font you are using, what are the time zone you are using, you are in plugins, your screen resolution, screen size, everything. Okay, every time you are using browser, it will send these all data to your ISP providers and the domains you are visiting. Okay, so that they can easily identify who is visiting, how many times you have visited, what you have keys and cache key, browser fingerprinting. You may think, yeah, I am safe with this network, but easily they can track you. Okay. The feature in Tor is an anti-fingerprinting feature. Okay. What happens is, if you use a browser, uh, if you maximize, your margin will touch the end of your screen, right? Okay. But if you maximize the Tor browser, it won't touch the end of your screen. Okay. This is the concept called the letterboxing. In 2019, they made this concept. Okay. This is the comparison of ordinary network, usual network, and a Tor network. We'll see as fast as we can. Okay. First thing is routing. Usual ISP provider directly route your traffic to the destination server. But in Tor, they are using 3+ nodes, right? Okay. IP address visibility. Your server and ISP can see your IP. As I said earlier, uh, your real IP won't be, uh, the servers can't see the real IP. They see only the IP of exit node. Data encryption. A lot of you are using HTTPS. They are encrypted, but sometimes you can use HTTP only. This is not encrypted. Uh, in my video series of Linux, I will show you how to sniff data. If how safe is HTTPS. If you are not using HTTPS, it's very easy to sniff the data. Actually, I will show you the real-time example. I planned to do a series of Kali Linux tool, Android forensic, and reverse engineering of software, how to crack a software, like how to root, a lot of basic technical stuffs. Yeah. Okay. According to your needs, I will make a playlist. Okay. Instagram, you can see a lot of cybersecurity academy. What I am doing is how to I will make you a hacker in 60 days. I will make you a hacker in 30 days. How to be hacker in 40 days. They can make you joker and get you. Okay. You can't be a hacker in 30 or 40 days. Okay. first, if you are going to be a cybersecurity expert, first you need to be very sure about the roadmap of the cybersecurity. Okay, you may use one or two tools like Nmap, Wireshark, and you can't say you are a cybersecurity expert. Okay, you should need a knowledge about how to make what are the uh, recent trends, how to make a IR report, like that, right? You should know the complete roadmap, and you should. It's actually cybersecurity is a journey. You can't you can't complete, according to my view. You can't complete within 2 months or 3 months. It's a journey, and whenever you are whenever you are having a free time, just go through, learn uh, as much as you can. Just learn the basic how internet works, what are the things happening when you search on Google, what are the basic hardware configurations, how hardware work, what is inside a CPU. Like that, you have to go through every basic of networking. You should be strong with the basic of networking if you're going to uh, be a cyber security expert, right? Okay, some will go to, or else you will be, you can't be even a scripted, what they will do is they will share you a Python code, or like they will share you the tools. What you're doing is you just click on a button, you know how to handle that. But if you don't have knowledge about the basics, you don't know how to clear the error. Okay, you just stuck on that. Okay, it will take time. It will take 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. You are going to chase the every free resources you get in a Telegram or any other platforms, like I don't want to mention. Okay, if you see after a year, you completely see your timeline in chasing the tools, but you learn nothing, right? You just wasted your year. Okay, so don't go behind the tools or like any other scripts are like that. Okay, just have a target each month. Okay, I'm going to complete this in this month. I'm going to learn this. Okay, first of all, choose a you should be very clear about am I going to be a cybersecurity expert or not, whether it suits me or not. Is that my career? You should be very confident with that. Okay, don't waste your time in getting these type of stuffs. Okay, if you don't have a clear idea, this will ruin your life actually. Many were using this in the outside. Okay, let's say come back to topic. ISP visibility, as you guys know, Tor doesn't record anything. ISP can't see anything. Okay, surveillance resistance, anonymity, vulnerable to track. Yeah, if you're using ordinary browser, you have vulnerabilities. You know, we can use a browser exploit. For example, we can use a beef to do browser exploit, right? We can do the browser centralized and okay, decentralized. You can go to these stuffs. This is the just a simple animation showing you how HTTPS works and what are the benefits if you are using it all. Okay. See the user going to visit site.com. The user is going to enter the username and password and data location. Okay, it goes through the maybe hacker in the middle. It goes through ISP. They are being surveillanced, and it goes through the server. Okay, this is how it normally works. If we use HTTPS, his username and password are encrypted, and the connection is less secure. Okay, secure. Okay. If we use but location, you can track its location, the user's location. If we using a Tor, it goes through all three relays. Okay, so they can't know your identity or location. It has a lot of disturbing content. I don't want to mention here. Okay, you should be very careful of your do's and don'ts, because it's not completely safe. Okay, what are the do's in the web? First thing, if you are using a Tor browser, you need to configure the settings of your Tor browser. Let me show you how to first download the Tor browser. Okay. So first go to Google and type Tor download. Okay, it will show you this site. You click on download. It will take you to the Tor homepage. Yeah, according to your platform you are using, you can download the Tor. It is necessary to check for the hash file. Okay, sorry. I will explain what is a hashing and the concept. Okay, you can check the integrity of the file with that. I'm double clicking on it. Yeah, as usual, the steps same as the other softwares. Okay, just click on yes, click on next, 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 click on yes. Double clicking. This is the first page you'll get when you're using Tor for the first time. Okay, you can use automatic connect automatically, or you can configure. If you have if you have bridges, you can use your own bridges. Okay, or else you can choose automatic connections. That will be good if you are a beginner. The first important setting is first you should enable the HTTPS mode only. Okay. Next important setting you have to do in Tor is under the security heading you should choose the safest. If you're using standard means all the JavaScripts will be enabled and it runs when you visit a site. Okay, there are very dangerous malicious sites available in our web. You don't need to download anything, just you need to visit. That's enough to hack your network and hack your system, right? Okay, don't get too excited and be in trouble. I show you the real time example. Okay, in the settings you can have a general settings, home, search, privacy and security. Okay, you can use bridges or you can yeah, we have gone through plugins, right? Okay, here we have three plugins, right? OBFS4, FS4, Snowflakes, and Make Assure. It's your choice to choose what type of pluggable transport your Tor browser should use. Okay.